You don't need one of these. You don't need it. What you need is to iron that lot. And you need to do the shopping. But you don't need an individual Sara Lee double chocolate gatto. You need to change that light bulb is what you need to do. And a bit more time, that's what you need. But you don't need 2 layers of Sara Lee's moist chocolate cake. Not need, you don't. Nobody needs Sara Lee.
Sniff out the bargain, step on the price. Glenweb, baby, the discount's nice.
Every Glenweb store is full of big home improvement brands like Crown and Dulux, all at incredibly low prices.
Paint and paper, home furnishings too. It's the place in town to paint your blue stripes.
Why pay more? A trip to Glenweb gives you everything you need for every room in the home at unbelievable prices.
Hey, baby, if you want top quality brands at teeny-weeny prices, see you at Glenweb.
Baby, we knows what you like.
Ladies and gentlemen, look at this! And this! And this! They're all part of Sainsbury's low price guarantee, and it's practically a complete secret! Because everyone here is meant to faithfully nice to shout about it! But Ellen here, with a nice big show business personality, has volunteered to put the message across with real business! So, go get a go!
If you can buy this cheaper in any other supermarket, then Sainsbury's will refund twice the difference.
Sainsbury's. Guaranteed low prices on your favourite brands. It's value to shout about.
OK, Sam, let's have a little look. Good grief. What's going on in there?
It's all those books he's been reading.
At Smith's, we've taken up to 40% off our favourite kids' books to get their imagination going.
All right, Sasha, you're next.
You won't find anything in there.
Whatever you're into, get into W.H. Smith.
2 free sausages sizzling in the pan. You try.
2 free walls.
No, 2 free sausages.
Walls.
Sausages.
Walls.
Now you're talking 2 free sausages.
Okay. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone.
Everything about the new Volvo S80 is designed to turn heads. Apart from the seats, which, in the event of a rear impact, are designed to help save necks. The Whip's whiplash protection system inbuilt into every Volvo S80. The world's most exhilarating, safe choice.